Sometimes an image is the best way to identify a user, an account, or an item. In cases where a search is performed and a result is then needed for a subsequent series of actions, the load an image into a variable action is ideal. Let's go to Amazon.com to demonstrate how this can work. We'll design a scenario that finds the current #1 advice bestseller on the New York Times list, and then checks to see if that book is on the Amazon bestsellers list. Because these lists vary from day to day, week to week, we can't just capture an image of the book cover. Tomorrow there might be a new #1, and then our scenario would be obsolete. We need to utilize a variable to accommodate this situation. The way to do this in Scenario Builder is with the load an image into a variable action. With this action, the scenario captures an image based on screen coordinates, either absolute or relative to an anchor image. In other words, Scenario Builder captures whatever image renders in the designated area. In our example, we're using the #1 as an anchor and capturing the area next to it, which will always be an image of the current #1 book. Now, getting back to the scenario, here's where we use the image that has been stored as a variable. Notice when we right-click in the Image Property field, we get the option to choose a variable. We'll select our variable from the drop-down box. Our scenario uses a loop to search for the bestseller image, paging down up to 6 times if necessary before abandoning the search. And to conclude, our scenario opens Notepad and reports the results of the image search. Let's play it back and see what happens. Imagine the flexibility this feature could provide in searching for a customer or an item in a list, then using that retrieved result as a value in a future operation. Thanks for watching.